We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Yeah. So I just decided to pick up the camera and vlog today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Yeah, I just got back from work. I had a meeting in the morning and a few things to do as well. Well, not a few things, but something to do after the meeting, and I just got back home now. It is 10 past 2. I'm actually really hungry, but there's something that I just wanted to get off my chest that I think I just want some advice on. So I've come to realize that, okay, so I'm a very nice person, right? I'm a very nice person, and I don't say that to sound pompous or to sound like, you know, gay or something like that, but I do try to really be a nice person. I'm a nice person, I'm a generous person, and I like to help people. I think it's just the Aquarius in me. A lot of the time I never get the same treatment back. I never get the same generosity and the same kindness and niceness, you know, from other people. I never get the same, or rather that's how I feel. I don't get the same support, the same yeah, I just don't, I don't get that, receive that same energy. I always feel like I'm always just giving and giving and giving and giving, and I never on the receiving end. I'm always the one who is pouring so much of myself into other people, which, I mean, yeah, sure, it's not really a bad thing. It's not really a bad trait to have, but it becomes bad when you suddenly allow people to just abuse that and take advantage of it. Another thing that I've realized about myself or about certain situations is that it's just like so easy for people to make me the bad guy, make me seem like the bad guy in every situation. It's just I don't know if it's because I am not necessarily a confrontational person. I avoid confrontation by all costs, at all costs. Like I don't do well with confrontation, especially face-to-face confrontation. So I don't know if people take advantage of that, and because they know where I struggle with that, it's just easy for them to walk all over me or whatever. I don't know, but today I was triggered by something. And now I just want to put it out there. Maybe there's somebody who can advise me, like, how do I deal with that? I know I'm just all over the place, but I hope that you guys really understand what I'm trying to say. How do you find the balance between being a generous person, you know, wanting to be helpful, but being able to say no sometimes, or not allow people to abuse that or take advantage of that? Am I wrong for expecting or hoping that people will also reciprocate that same energy? Am I wrong for wanting to be like understood to a point where I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but I hope that you guys understand. Like I said, I'm triggered. I'm quite upset right now. I'm actually really, really upset. Like, it makes me sad because I give so much of myself, and I really try to accommodate people. I really try to be nice. I really try to be as generous and giving and all of that. And I don't want to find myself in a situation where I end up having to put up this wall and become this cold hearted person who just doesn't want to give any more of herself, you know. I don't know, guys. I need your advice. You know, I always have the right things to say to people, but in this case, I don't know how to deal with my own situation. I don't know how to deal with my own, yeah. I just don't know how to deal with it. I don't know. And it hurts me. It hurts me because, like I said, I'm a nice person and I love being nice. I love helping people. I love being there for people. But sometimes I need somebody to be there for me. Sometimes I too need that generosity to be displayed and given to me as well. You know, sometimes I too want to be on the receiving end. I don't want to always be the one who's losing, you know, and I don't want to end up becoming a person who is resentful and bitter because, you know, batho ga ba ntseye sentle, or ke feel gore batho ga ba ntseye sentle, or ke feel gore it's always just so easy for people to put me in the doghouse, you know, and make me seem like the bad guy. I'm not okay. I also just sometimes feel like sometimes I'm just really misunderstood and people don't try to understand me. There's just a lot on my mind. There's just a lot on my mind and I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated. I'm triggered. I'm sad. I know my face doesn't show it, but I am sad. In fact, I just want to like go get some food, eat, and just sleep. And hopefully I'll wake up feeling better because it's not nice. It's not nice to always be there for people and then not have them be there for you when you need them or even when you just. And I think that's why I struggle with making friends and I struggle with keeping friendships and I struggle with trusting that people are there for the right reasons or that people are really for me. I've been hurt so many times by people that I had hoped wouldn't hurt me to that extent, and I think that's another reason why maybe I struggle with, you know, trust and just actually believing that certain people are for me. Sometimes I feel very replaceable. Sometimes I feel like an option to people. I've mentioned this to close people around me that, you know, sometimes I feel like I'm an option in your life. And it's not nice. Sometimes I want to be chosen. I want somebody to be afraid to lose me, you know. I want somebody to, you know, put in that extra effort, the extra effort that I would normally put in, you know, I don't know, I'm just really triggered. I'm just sad. Yeah. But let me not dwell on that. Like I said, guys, I need your advice. This time around, I need your advice. I need tips and advice on how I can deal with my own issues. Because we all have issues. We all are going through something. We all are just trying to get by at this point. But this is something it's a recurring thought. And it's a thought that I always whenever something sparks it, it's hard for me to like bounce back from that. And sometimes when I do think I'm bouncing back from that, I do this I don't need nobody type vibe, and I don't want that. I don't want to bounce back from a point or a place of bitterness. I don't want to bounce back from a place of vengeance and bitterness and resentment. Please ignore the noise there. My sister is watching Nigerian movies, so yeah. But yeah, guys, if you can relate and you figured out a way to deal with this, please let me know. It would be nice to just, you know, I don't know, I need advice. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to vlog anymore of the day, but I needed to just do this raw and unfiltered thingamajig so that you guys can maybe give me advice and you guys can see where I too go through things. I too have my days. I too have my moments, and I too need help sometimes. And today that's what I'm asking for. I'm asking for help and I'm asking for advice. I'm just blabbing now. I'm rambling. But I think you guys get what I'm saying. I hope you do. Anyway, do comment down below and let me know. Give me your advice. Help a girl out. But yeah, that's just gonna be the end of this vlog, this video. Yeah, because it was really an impromptu video that I wasn't really even planning to do. Well, that's what impromptu means. So comment down below with your advice and tips, and if you can relate as well, that would be, you know, cool to just share your experiences or whatever. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day whenever you're watching this, and that you're doing okay. Yeah, and just remember that it's okay not to be okay. It's okay. It's okay to just not feel okay. It's normal. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. That would be really, really great. Join this amazing family. Share and let people know that we hang out here every now and then. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Bye guys.